Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the whites of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture now, press on adjustments down below and press on whites now. And you can just manage the whites of the picture. You can see that the white background can become basically brighter, and it can also become darker depending how you want it to. After that you can continue editing, or you can just simply leave and save it depending how you want to. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.